Welcome back to the Dream Cars. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Toyota Camry, one of the most iconic sedans on the road, reimagined for a new era. If you thought the Camry was just a reliable family car, think again. Toyota has completely redefined what this nameplate means, combining sharp design, cutting-edge tech, and fuel-efficient performance in a way that might just make you fall in love with sedans again. Let's start with the design. The 2026 Camry has shed its conservative past for a look that's sleek, bold, and aggressive. The front end is sharper than ever, featuring a low-slung grille, slim LED headlights, and aerodynamic lines that scream sophistication. Toyota has also added sculpted side panels and a sporty rear diffuser, giving the Camry a more athletic stance from every angle. Whether you're pulling up to the office or heading out on a weekend road trip, this car makes a statement. But it's not just about looks. Under the hood, the 2026 Camry comes standard with a 2.5-liter hybrid powertrain that balances efficiency with performance. It produces an impressive 225 horsepower on front-wheel drive models and 232 with all-wheel drive. Toyota has officially retired the V6 option, but trust us, this hybrid setup doesn't leave you missing it. It's smooth, responsive, and delivers excellent fuel economy that can reach up to 51 miles per gallon combined. That means fewer stops at the pump and more time enjoying the drive. Inside, the Camry feels like it belongs in a much higher price range. The cabin is quieter, more refined, and incredibly tech-savvy. You're greeted with a sleek dashboard featuring either a 7-inch or available 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, depending on the trim. At the center is Toyota's new infotainment system, displayed on a beautiful 8-inch or optional 12.3-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Everything is intuitive, fast, and customizable. Toyota didn't forget about comfort, either. The seats are redesigned for better support on long drives, and the materials used throughout the cabin are premium, even on the base trims. Available features like a panoramic glass roof, ambient interior lighting, and heated and ventilated front seats make the Camry feel like a true luxury experience, without the luxury price tag. Now let's talk safety. Every 2026 Camry comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. That includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, road sign recognition, and automatic emergency braking. It's one of the most comprehensive safety packages in the segment, and it's all included without charging you extra. Trim options have also been streamlined and focused. You've got the LE and XLE for those who love comfort and elegance, the SE and XSE for those leaning toward a sportier vibe, and of course, a nightshade edition that adds blacked-out accents, dark wheels, and an extra dose of attitude. Each trim offers a distinct personality, but all of them come packed with value. One of the most exciting updates for 2026 is the Camry's platform. It's now built on the TNGA-K architecture, shared with models like the RAV4 and Lexus S. That means better handling, a smoother ride, and an overall more composed driving experience. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising down the freeway, the Camry feels stable, confident, and dare we say, fun. And for those of you who love options, Toyota delivers. The 2026 Camry comes in both front-wheel and all-wheel drive, giving you more control in bad weather or when road conditions get tricky. It's a feature that used to be reserved for SUVs and higher-end sedans, and now it's available on your daily driver. So who is this car for? Well, honestly, everyone. The Camry 2026 is for commuters who want efficiency, families who want comfort and safety, and even car enthusiasts who want something stylish and surprisingly fun to drive. It's the perfect example of Toyota listening to its customers and pushing boundaries. With pricing expected to start around $29,000 and fully loaded models staying well under $40,000, the Camry continues to deliver one of the best value propositions in the automotive world. Add in Toyota's legendary reliability and strong resale value, and you've got a car that doesn't just look good today, it makes sense for the long haul. So, is the 2026 Toyota Camry still the sensible choice? Absolutely. But now, it's also the exciting one. Thanks for watching the Dream Cars. If you enjoyed this look at the new Camry, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss our deep dives into the most exciting cars on the road. Drop a comment below and let us know, would you consider switching to a hybrid Camry, or are you holding out for something else? Until next time, drive safe, dream big, and we'll see you on the next ride.